So good afternoon guys, I am at the Tall Ship next to the Riverside Museum in Glasgow. Not the greatest weather, however it's something to do. It's also free as well. It's currently open I think 11 o'clock till 4 o'clock, 4:30, something like that. Do some research before you go, have a look at the website. So it's a tall ship, it's called the Glenlee Tall Ship, again next to the Riverside Museum in Glasgow. So let's go for a walk around the tall ship, see what we can see. Hope you enjoy. So just look out for these signs, give directions. There's quite a few old boats docked here, some new ones, and a swan just next to the tall ship. That looks like an old one, a really old one. Good old sunny Scotland and the River Clyde. You can see a little bit of Glasgow and the Clyde and the tall ship. So let's take a walk over, see if we can get on it. You can see all the little depths at the front. And I'm not sure, but she'll have a name probably. Don't tell me it's Glenlee, but that's the name of the tall ship. But I wonder if she has a name. What do you think? If you know it, let me know and leave a comment below. You can see it's all chained up. These huge chains. Let's see if we can get on. Well, here we go, we got on. I think I must have been the last person on. Or last person allowed on. So, made it. Got a one-way system just now. Welcome aboard. So the captain's gig, it's his own personal transport. And a tyre. I don't think the tyre's original. This gives you an idea of how Captain Jack Sparrow must have felt running this. Obviously not running this ship. Just a joke. It's the main mast. I actually feel like a pirate now. I don't know why I feel like a pirate, but just transformed into a pirate for the next 20 odd minutes. Oh, 10 minutes. I won't even take that long. The old buckets. And the galley. The moose. Not got to do any ratatouille. Oh, I just did, didn't I? Just said. Oh, there's another one there. making some delicious bread. The foremast.
Yeah, I thought I was going to be able to look at me.
Very kind.
Well, come in ring the bell. Well, I just discovered what a good man he was. You did come in.
Workshop.
You smoked the extra. I know you were like the expert. He did the first bell. Did he ring that bell first?
Yeah. John, down there.
Oh, you done this one.
That's my step done for today. It's a great view here. So that's the museum. That's the Riverside Museum. And from here you can see a lot more of the middle and the back of the boat. The Glenlee. The old anchors. And now to come down these steep stairs. Below deck. Wow. Look at this. I didn't even know there was a bit at the bottom. Or below deck. Arr. Told you. I'm a pirate now. Up on that window. A bit of Morse code. And watch a little video.
Outlook must have seen the lead from Glenlee. Fortunately, not available to her yet.
Liverpool, New York and Melbourne. May 1916, December 1916. Wow, and it's here right now. Look at all the detail. Wheat, rice and sugar, some barrels. That feeds down again. You see a little chute there, a little slide. way down the food and materials down. Cafe is currently closed just now, so taking me to the back. I lost my bearings there. So the back section is currently shut off. The poop deck, or the poop deck, is closed. This looks like a big jacuzzi. Now you get the big things that cover jacuzzis. So it's official, I am now a pirate because I've been on this ship. That, I think. So currently not allowed past into there. But there, that was a quick visit to the Tall Ship, the Glenlee. These views of the Clyde. Time to go home. So hopefully you enjoyed that short trip on the Glenlee, the Tall Ship. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It's time for me to go home and dry off. Maybe be back once COVID is all over. Fingers crossed soon. So we can see and roam a bit more of the Tall Ship. Subscribe for more content in the future, and I'll see you all soon.